Hey guys, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach. Give you a walkthrough tour of a brand new 2020 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. It's equipped with a 60 horse Mercury 4-stroke command thrust motor. This beautiful full blue gel coat hull. Boat does come with the trailer. We ordered this boat with the fishing package as well as the blue live well and the stern. So got a nice place for your bait, rod holders, comes with the fishing bucket, place for your knives. Got plenty of room up there at the dash to put like a GPS fish finder if you want. Again, we ordered this with a nice dark blue bimini top, kind of keep you in the shade in our hot summer days. Removable cooler seat cushion in the front of the console with rod holder storage behind it, and then your anchor locker here. That's a great little boat, 15-foot Boston Whaler, unsinkable engine here at MarineMax Pompano Beach. Give me a call, Justin Costello, 954-633-2070.